On this edition of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt crew, behind us here is our C10 here. We build all in-house with custom-made USA fixtures here, done in Canfield, Ohio at Rust Belt Off-Road. Now, the C10 is a very popular truck right now. These tubs are flying off the charts here, out the door, and we produce a lot of these here a month here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Now, what separates our tubs from everybody else on the market? Ours are built correctly. Everybody else's are built wrong. And some of the stuff I'm going to show you real quick is on these trucks, and the dead giveaway is the reproduction body, is the roof line right here. Now this roof line here is supposed to run downhill so the water drains out the rain gutter. Now what these other builders that build these trucks, there's three companies in the United States that are building these right now, and they jack the B-pillar up and push this rain gutter forward, and it skews the drip rail up here as well. Please see the attached pictures. That's our competition out there. Ours are true and square. They're squared out. The measurements are correct. We'll show you how we build these in the fabrication shop here in a few minutes, and also how you tell our bodies are square. Besides the roof line and the front windshield header not skewed either or bent to make it fit correctly or bent up, the firewall is a dead giveaway to make sure these are square. If you look at the attached pictures, a major competitor of ours, the top cow is shimmed with a ½ inch of washers. At Rust Belt Off-Road, we do not use any shims, very rarely at all, but never a ½ inch on anything. And we do not grind door hinges to make the doors close. As you can see in the pictures, they're bolts, so they ground the hinges to make sure they would close. So what separates our bodies here at Rust Belt Off-Road? Number one, they're true and square. We just showed you the roof lines, the shims in the cow area. Very little shims used now. We also do a spot weld every 1.5 inches here on everything we assemble at Rust Belt Off-Road. We have a cool laser tool that strips the metal, clean welds. So with that being said, our cabs here come with the front sheet metal installed. We're the only ones in the industry that sell it like that. So you get a tub here, the cab that's very ready to go. So basically, you can start your paint work right from this cab here right now and do all your final fitments. Right here I'm in front of one of the C10 fixtures here we have at Rust Belt Off-Road. Everything is fit here with custom fixtures here, CNC manual bent fixtures we got here. The door fixtures aren't on here on this one right now, but we do have them in the Blazer here, how we fit these to the correct angles, and we set everything up correctly on square and level platforms here at Rust Belt Off-Road. So give us a call, 330-533-4757 and rustbeltoffroad.com.
Hi, I'm Will Rogers, and here we are in the mechanic shop at Rust Belt Off-Road. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about this customer's brakes and what we've been dealing with. A customer supplied his own brake master cylinder, booster, and pedal assembly and installed it and was having problems with getting brakes. How we fixed it was replacing the master cylinder, booster, and bracket pedal assembly to work all together with what the vehicle has. Here we are with the part that the customer supplied us, and you can see it looks a lot like what we have over there, but it was the intricacies that was causing the problem. This rod, we'll show you here in a second, is not adjustable like it should be. We can't adjust the pedal up and down like we want to. And also, the master cylinder that goes out here, this rod that goes right here that pushes the master cylinder, which pushes the brake fluid out, was not adjustable as well, as it was welded on the backside over here. So this rod goes to the brake pedal. As you can see, it slips in and out. So the customer slipped this in, slipped that in, and then literally set the pedal height by this little set screw, which, had it backed out, could have caused the pedal to come out, and now you would have had no brakes going down the road. That's why you should always trust the mechanics here at Rust Belt Off-Road to supply high quality parts. So thanks for joining us on this episode. If you're interested in any of our products, which is the Rust Belt Broncos, the C10s, the square bodies, the K5 Blazers, F-100 Highboys, our phone number here is 330-533-4757 646-222-4757 or check us out online at rustbeltoffroad.com.